Wind turbine operation. Welcome to our video on wind turbine operation, where we explore the fascinating process of how these impressive machines harness the power of the wind to generate clean and sustainable energy. It all begins with the rotor blades. These aerodynamically designed structures capture the energy from the wind as it flows across them. The shape and angle of the blades optimize the lift and rotation, driving the turbine's operation. As the wind blows, it imparts a force on the blades, causing them to rotate. This rotational motion is the first step in converting wind energy into electrical energy. The rotor blades are attached to a central hub, which transfers the rotational energy from the blades to the rest of the wind turbine. Inside the nacelle, which is positioned behind the rotor hub, we find crucial components such as the gearbox, generator, and control systems. The gearbox plays a vital role in increasing the rotational speed of the rotor blades. It takes the relatively slow rotation and amplifies it to a speed that's optimal for generating electricity. The generator, another essential component, converts the mechanical energy from the rotating blades into electrical energy. This process relies on the principle of electromagnetic induction. The electricity produced by the generator is then directed through power electronics and control systems that monitor and optimize the turbine's performance. Once the electrical energy is generated, it is transmitted through underground or overhead cables, ultimately connecting to the electrical grid. Wind farms, consisting of multiple turbines, contribute significant amounts of renewable energy to the grid. Wind turbines are designed to operate efficiently across a range of wind speeds. Advanced control systems continuously monitor wind conditions and adjust the turbine's orientation to optimize performance. Wind farms, whether located on land or offshore, harness the power of wind resources to generate substantial amounts of clean energy, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigating the impact of climate change. Wind turbines, with their elegant design and sustainable operation, are key contributors to a greener and more sustainable energy future. To discover more about renewable energy and explore the incredible world of wind turbine technology, subscribe to our channel and check out our other informative videos. Thanks for watching.